Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make roll paneer full guide. Start by crumbling fresh paneer and draining excess whey so the texture stays pliable, then mix spices, herbs, and a binder to form a smooth filling. Prepare thin dough sheets or flattened paneer layers, spread filling evenly, and roll tightly to avoid gaps. Finish by pan-frying or baking until golden and serve hot for best flavor. Gather paneer, spices, and a binder first to streamline the process and avoid interruptions. Measure spices carefully to balance heat and aroma, and chop herbs finely so they distribute evenly. If using dough sheets, keep them covered to prevent drying while assembling. For a lighter roll, use minimal oil when cooking and opt for quick pan frying to seal the exterior while keeping the interior moist. Keep your hands slightly damp to prevent sticking when shaping and rolling paneer. Work on a lightly floured surface, press filling into a log, and roll with steady, even pressure to maintain shape. Seal edges with a dab of water or binder so the roll stays intact while cooking. Cook over medium heat, turning carefully so each side gets a golden crust without overcooking the inside.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.